Here we come to the elevators at the downtown Aquarium in downtown Houston, Texas. These are Otis Series 1 from 2003. And I do apologize about the audio that's muted right now due to loud music blasting in the lobby, to where I have no other choice at all. So, let's go to 3. And as you can see, they actually added a blue LED onto the side of the ceiling. And as the doors finally close... Alright, now I can safely unmute. Anyways, I do apologize for having to mute the audio in the beginning of the video because there is literally very loud music blasting in the lobby to where it's totally unbearable to avoid. And the door close button does not work. Anyways, I really love this elevator cab right here. Look at the decoration. And as you can see, they actually added a blue LED light onto the side of the frame. Anyways, we're going to get the other elevator car and I'm going to have to mute, so I'll be right back. This one has no fans so we can hear the motor well. Alright, let's go back down to 1 before I get a copyright, because there's music playing up here as well. And yeah, there's music, and thank God the door close button works on this one. Anyways, this is similar to the other elevator cab. This is a take in 1080p, 60 frames a second. I like how they added the blue LEDs onto the side of the elevator cab, onto the ceiling. Okay, I'm back now. This cab looks... I mean, look how exquisite this elevator cab is. This is a neat decoration I've ever seen before. Alright, let's head back down to 1 before I get a copyright. I'm sorry, but I just really have no choice than have to do what's best. Door close button worked on this elevator. Surprising. Alright, here we are at 1. This is where I'm going to end the video, so hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.